So today's topic is just in time. Before we go to the meaning, firstly we evaluate how this concept comes into existence. It was evolved in Japan after the World War II. The basic motive of introducing this concept was to diminishing the market share in the auto industry. So the Toyota Motor Company was the one which implemented this JIT system successfully in 1970s, so that they can eliminate any type of waste by purchasing or manufacturing, so that everything can be in a right items would be in just in time. The basic areas the Japanese manufacturer looked towards this concept because they can gain the most efficient use of limited resources. Now coming to its meaning, just in time is a highly coordinated processing system which goods move through the system as well as the services performed are just as they are required according to the need. Just in time is basically gives an emphasis on having the right items of right quality at the right time, at the right place and in the right quantity, so that it can be considered as everything is according to the just in time manner. Mostly it has one more approach towards just in time, which is hand to mouth approach. Hand to mouth approach of production is also known as JIT. Coming to its objectives, so just in time, the core most objective of just in time is that it helps in producing only those products which the customer wants. The products are produced according to the customer's desire. The next is the just in time help in producing products only at the rate of the customers want them. They would be providing the perfect quality with the minimum lead time, as well as they would be constituting the product only with those features which the customer desires. And the last objective is the just in time evolves no waste of labor, no waste of material, as well as no waste of equipment. So like we have previously discussed, that just enough of the right items in just JIT manner. Coming to its necessity, why organization adopt JIT? While adoption of JIT, organization will be eliminating the waste. Next, they would be achieving the production level. The thirdly, they would be eliminating disruption in the production, which can be caused by the poor quality, any schedule changes or any late deliveries. Through JIT concept, we can reduce or eliminate these areas like poor quality, schedule changes and late deliveries. Through this, we can also reduce the setup and delivery time as well. JIT focus on various issues, like it helps in eliminating the waste. So what kind of waste it can be? It can be the overproduction, it can be the waiting time, unnecessary transportation, processing waste or product defect. McDonald's is the organization which implement as well as adopt JIT system, because McDonald's, by implementing this system, the basic motive of McDonald's is, while implementing JIT system, they does not begin to cook until they receive an order from a customer. Firstly they would be getting the order, only then they will be cooking that specific order, otherwise they would be not preparing that specific order. So after the implementation of JIT, The first one they focus is on the burger making technology. The second one is they have reduced the wastage area, as well as McDonald's is able to make fast food enough to wait until it has been ordered. It means reduce the time period so that they can give the delivery with the minimum time and with the maximum output. So with the JIT production system, the focus is towards these areas. The first one is the criteria for success is JIT system. The next is the service they provide, the quality they maintain, the people, the food preparation level, as well as the profitability. These are the implementation of JIT production system under McDonald's.